So guys, I've removed the regulator from this alternator, and I will try compare the new one to the old one for you. Take this off a minute, hang on. So you can see the difference in length. You see the length different in there, the bushes there, they're halfway down. But also guys, if you're going to take this off, it goes in here obviously. Once you unscrew, it's usually one here, one there, one there. I'll take the cover off first. Inspect inside here. See these copper things in there? If they're smooth, change your regulator. If you find one's got a big sink in it, and one hasn't got a sink, one's smooth, again, just change the alternator, because you have another problem. It might work temporary, but they'll wear down uneven. But I mean, personally, for all the headache, just get a new alternator. But if these are fine in there, which mine are, I'm just going straight for the regulator, because I got a freewheeling pulley on this alternator. It's not a clutch pulley, so I know I don't have to change that. So it's either going to be this or the diodes. But 9 out of 10 times it's just going to be this regulator. £22 on eBay. So that's it really, the job of the day.